Hello students. In today's video, we will be updating ourselves about the admission process for standard 11th this year. Students, as you all are aware that due to COVID pandemic this year, 10th standard examinations as cancelled and marks are analyzed on the basis of your 9th and 10th 50% each evaluation. So, for a fair process of admission, Maharashtra government declared to conduct CET. What is CET? Is a common entrance test for FYJC admission. This FYJC means first year junior college admissions. What actually is in CET? What is its syllabus? What will be the mode of examination? So all those questions I'll be covering in this video. So please do watch this video till end and feel free to ask your doubts in the comment box so that I will try to cover your doubts along with the proper solutions in part 2 of this video. So let's start for the video. Common entrance test for CET to be conducted for 11th admissions. Now what are the key highlights of this CET examination? Maharashtra CET 2021 examination will be conducted after the coronavirus outbreak subsides. Means once the lockdown and the COVID conditions will be fine, then the date of this examination will be declared. The entrance examination will be totally based on your 10th syllabus, what you have attempted this year. Priority will be given for those students who will appear for CET, while other students will get admission on 10th merit score. What is the actual meaning of this particular highlight? I'll be explaining in coming points. Why to conduct CET examination? This might be a question you all might be having. Now students, in order to ensure a uniformity for 11th admissions and equal opportunities for all the students, this is necessary to conduct a CET examination. So what will be the features of this CET examinations? Let us see this. It will be conducted by our state board, that is Maharashtra State Board. It will be, as I said, will be based on your 10th syllabus. So that will include your maths, science, social studies syllabus. What will be the way of the questions, how to mark the questions on the OMR sheet, that I'll be taking in part 2 of this video by using a proper OMR sheet. There will be multiple choice questions, like you have the MCQs, and exams will be taken by OMR method. This OMR method means your answers will be corrected on computerized analysis, which is OMR is the optical mark reader. What will be the admission procedure? While implementing the 11th admission process, students will be given priority in all the junior colleges on the basis of merit in the common entrance test what they will obtain. Only after the admission process is complete for students through CET admissions, then the other students who fail to attempt the CET will be given the admissions. Here I want to mark one thing, that those who all are willing to take admissions for their diploma courses, for them the admission will be based on their 10th marks only. What will be the certificate issued by the government. So what is the admission? How you will take the admission if you have not appeared for CET. So let us see this. So students, those who fail to attempt the CET examination, for them the 11th standard admissions will be on the basis of the merits what they will get in their 10th standard, and this admission will be purely based after the CET students will get the admission. So here it is very important that you must try to attempt the CET examination. What might be the mode of examination? So students, I think this examination might be offline under the supervision of your teachers and may be conducted in your school. So in order to have a fair analysis and avoid copying. How many questions and what will be the marking system might be the next question. So here students, as they said that the examination will be of 100 marks. So what possibilities we are left with is, if every question will carry 1 mark, then there will be 100 questions, and if the question carries 2 marks each, then there will be 50 questions in all. All these, if you see, there won't be any negative marking, and therefore I will advise you to attempt all the possible questions within the given time. So the time duration for this paper will be of 2 hours, and questions included in this exam will be based on your complete 10 syllabus. Now students, when I say complete 10 syllabus, they are very easy 1 mark question what you have already attempted, like your fill in the blanks or one word answer, this type of questions, and how to mark that we will see in the next part of this video. Now, when will be the exam conducted? So, Maharashtra government will soon announce the date and rules to conduct CET 2021 in the state. As soon as I get the date and the rules, I will update you in my coming video. So students, coming soon the sample paper and how to mark the options by using a OMR sheet. It will depend on the comments and your feedback to this video. So I will advise you while you are selecting the college. So select a college which is very close to your house so that you can save your time in traveling, and the same time you can utilize for your studies. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, comments your doubts in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.